not get go very far.
Okay. Well, someone's been up here, right? Yeah.
Well, maybe we will.
Oh, it looks very narrow.
I don't want to slide off of this though.
No. It looks very slick.
Huh.
Huh. Whoa. Oh,
Whoa.
Whoa, we are not stopping.
No, we're not.
No, okay.
Uh-oh. Oh, God. Hold on.
I'm holding. Whoa. Holy crap.
That was a downhill slide.
Yeah, you like had no control over that, did you?
Yes, I did.
Did you?
No.
Oh my God.
Huh.
Woo, that was fun. That was slippery.
What's behind us?
I can't tell. Do you want me to get out and look?
Oh, probably.
Okay.
I think I could turn the V back on it.
Want me to take the camera?
Yeah, we kind of slid down that hill.
Yeah, that was a little thrilling. It looks very slick.
Huh.
Huh. Whoa. Oh,
Whoa.
We are not stopping.
No, we're not.
No, okay.
Uh-oh. Oh, God. Hold on.
I'm holding. Whoa. Holy crap.
That was a downhill slide.